Hey everyone, Awesome Kids here, and we're gonna be doing a fun, gooey, glittery do-it-yourself project today.
What is it?
It's Glitter Galaxy Slime, and you only need a few items to make it. You'll need a bottle of Elmer's School glue. Try to get the clear one if you can. A bowl to mix everything in. You're gonna need some glitter and liquid starch. To begin, pour the entire bottle of glue into the mixing bowl.
Pour, pour, pour.
Once you do that, fill the empty glue bottle with water. Now we can pour the water into the mixing bowl as well. Alright, time to add some liquid starch. You need half a cup. And instead of pouring all of it in at once, you want to slowly pour it in while mixing it. Pour in a little more. Almost finished. Pour in the rest. And let's keep on mixing. At a certain point, it's gonna get pretty difficult to mix with the stirring objects, so this is where you need to get your hands dirty.
You ready?
Let's go! Think of it as you're kneading some dough. Your hand is gonna feel really sticky, but don't worry, you can wash it off later. Mixing this is important, so you have to do a good job here. Okay, fast forward. Woo! The hard part is over. As you can see, we made some clear slime. And if you've seen some of our previous slime videos, I'm sure you're familiar with all this already. But now it's time to do something a little different. We're gonna make some glitter slime. Let's tear off a little chunk of the slime we just made and put it back into the mixing bowl. We'll start by making some purple glitter slime. There isn't an actual measurement as to how much glitter you have to pour in, so you can just go by feel.
That looks about right.
Now you want to fold the slime in half. I do this because it makes the mixing process easier. And you want to just keep folding it in half until the glitter starts to show. And your hands will get a little messy here too, but it's not going to be as bad as making the actual slime. Now let's stretch out our slime a few times.
Whoa, so glittery.
And there we go. We made some purple glitter slime. Let's follow the same steps as before and make some sky blue glitter slime now.
Ooh, this is sparkly too.
Alright, we have one more color to make. Let's make a red glitter slime now.
Glitter slime is awesome!
Now that we have all of our glitter slime, let's make some glitter galaxy slime. We'll start by tearing off a little bit of each colored slime. Place them next to each other like this, and let's stretch it out. This is awesome! The colors look great!
This slime is pretty stretchy.
You can also mix all the colors together. Since we talked about kneading bread earlier, let's give this a little twirl. Boom! We made some colorful glitter dough. And now let me show you something really cool.
What?
Yup, this is the Glitter Galaxy Slime. It's pretty amazing when all the colors are mixed and you just stretch it out. Also, the glitter adds a nice touch. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.